Get ready for some mind-blowing facts that will leave you speechless. Did you know that the human nose is capable of detecting over 1 trillion different scents? That's right, our sense of smell is one of the most powerful tools we have in our arsenal. Imagine being able to smell every single scent in the world, from the sweet aroma of freshly baked bread to the pungent odor of rotten eggs. Our noses can do it all. And if that wasn't enough to impress you, let's talk about speed. The fastest animal on Earth is none other than the peregrine falcon. These majestic birds can dive at speeds of up to 240 miles per hour, making them the undisputed champions of the skies. Imagine being able to move that fast. It's mind-boggling. Now let's switch gears and talk about the human brain. Did you know that it has more connections than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy? That's right, our brains are the most complex and powerful organs in our bodies. We can do anything we set our minds to, thanks to the incredible power of our brains. And speaking of incredible things, have you ever heard of the bee hummingbird? This tiny bird weighs less than a penny and is the smallest bird in the world. It's hard to imagine something so small could exist in our world, but it's true. But let's talk about something a little more long-lived. The ocean quahog clam is the longest living animal on Earth, capable of living up to 500 years. That's an entire lifetime and then some. Imagine the things this clam has seen over the course of its life. And did you know that the world's largest volcano, Mauna Loa in Hawaii, is actually taller than Mount Everest when measured from the seafloor? It's hard to imagine a volcano being taller than the tallest mountain in the world, but it's true. Now let's talk about something a little strange. Did you know that the human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap? It's not the most pleasant thought, but it's still an interesting fact. And here's another strange one. The sound of a crack of a whip is actually a tiny sonic boom. Think about that for a second. Every time you hear that sound, you're actually witnessing a mini explosion. Finally, let's talk about the largest living organism on Earth. It's actually a fungus in Oregon that covers over 2,200 acres. That's larger than many towns and cities, and it's all thanks to the incredible power of nature. And just for fun, did you know that the shortest war in history was between the countries of Zanzibar and England in 1896? It lasted only 38 minutes. It's amazing to think that such a short conflict could make it into the history books, but that just goes to show you, anything can happen in this world. So there you have it. Some truly incredible and mind-blowing facts that will leave you in awe. From the power of our noses to the incredible speed of the peregrine falcon, there's so much in this world to be amazed by. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.